Hi everyone, this is Hannah, and today I'm going to do the tutorial video for this picnic basket box. So the box looks like this, and you've got plenty of dies, and let me show you how to build the dies. So you will get this piece is to make the strip. So you need to cut this this basic piece 2 times and this layering piece 2 times to make this handle part. And this one, you have also 2 layering pieces, which is for this part and this part. So this one is to build the size of your basket box, and this one you will use to make the front side and back side of your basket box. And this one with the layering piece is to make the bottom part, and this one is to make the top lid part. So it looks like this. You will get a top lid, and you also get all these layering pieces. And this is the button that you could add like this way, so you could make this handle part move. And this is the tulip bowl that you will get. So let's get started, and I have cut all these pieces out. So these are all the cut out, and let's first stick these layering pieces on top. So all the layering pieces are ready to go. And let's first make this top lid part, and just folding them around all these folding lines. And now stick this part here. And let's do the same to the left ones. So this top part is ready. And the size is pretty good that if you want to make a jar, you could also make it just like a big matchbox. You just need to make a top, that open part, that the top lid part, and it could also be a very great size for the matchbox. And for the bottom part, so just stick this part to this long part. And stick this part on this side. And I add this layering piece on the inner parts just to hide all these flaps. Okay, now stick all these sides along this line. So just make sure they line up well. So this bottom part is ready and it looks like this. And now to make this handle part. And to make this handle part, you have two ways. So the first way is that you could punch a hole at this and this place, and then add brass on this handle part. But since I didn't do the holes at this place, so I use another way to make it. So first I need to punch a hole here. And here is these buttons, and I have cut several because I need to make 4. So I'm going to just lay it like so. So I will first stick this part, just this middle part. And do it like so. So it's like a flower pattern. And 4 brass. So put the bread through this hole and through this hole, and then this piece again. And do it like so. And also do the same to the other end. And now stick this part on top of this place. So I need to see. Yeah, it's just about this place. And also stick this part over on this place. So this picnic basket box is ready and it looks like this. And I also find it's very cute that to add this one here. So this is the flat daisy. And this is the cutting die set that you get 3 sizes in this set. And I find this very beautiful that if you add at this part right. And I'm so impressed by Michelle's daisy flower and so inspired. So I made a lot of these ones that I just stick this center part and make this extra part a little curved, and also make them just not stick the rest right direction. I mean, it's a little, see, like this. So yeah, I find this one is very cute to make it in this way, just like a layered flower. So it's not only a flat daisy pattern, that you could make it like a layered flower pattern, and I think that's so beautiful. So I think it's very fun that if you could add a daisy flower at this bottom part, it's also very beautiful. See? I think this is so cute. So this is all for today, and if you have any questions, please let me know. And so thank you for watching. I will catch you in my next craft video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.